Are you ready to transform your text into stunning PNG images with transparent backgrounds? Look no further than PNGMaker. Let's get started. Begin by entering your desired text prompt. Next, choose the perfect aspect ratio for your image. Decide on the number of images you need, and then hit the Generate button. Sit back as PNGMaker works its magic, creating beautiful PNG images in no time. Take a moment to admire the previews. Each image is crafted to perfection, ready to meet your needs. If you like a PNG image, you can simply copy or download it. Your PNG images, complete with transparent backgrounds, will be saved directly to your device, ready for any project you have in mind. You have effortlessly created professional, quality PNG images from text using PNGMaker. Try PNGMaker today and see the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.